okay, I'm not going to post that because people might not like that. Your product or your service might be the thing that someone needs, but they don't know that they need. Stay on people's minds. So, hey, I might need that. Hey guys, quick video on why you should be prioritizing your social media content, planning ahead, and doing that regularly. Number one, when you have more content out there, that means more eyeballs on you, more attention on your brand or your product. If you don't post something, then unfortunately people can't see it. So I think a lot of times we get caught up thinking, okay, I'm not going to post that because people might not like that, or that might be weird, or one person might say something I don't like. And really, when it comes down to it, if you're not sharing anything, the net of that is zero. You want to be putting stuff out there and be authentic, be you. What are you having for lunch? What are you working on? People want to see exactly what you're doing in your business or your life. The second thing is that people are searching for stuff, and your product or your service might be the thing that someone needs, but they don't know that they need. When you post about your services or what you're doing in a creative way, that helps someone to go, hey, I might need that. I might need swim lessons. I'm looking for a house. Using a couple personal examples there, but you would fill in the blank for whatever it is that you're doing and that you're offering. You need to be relevant, and posting regularly will help you to stay on people's minds. Number three is stay on people's minds. So basically, if you think about it this way, like your favorite TV show that you keep tuning into, that season, that next episode comes out and you just can't wait to see it. That's what you're doing when you are prioritizing your content, because when you share something relevant, helpful, new, it leaves you on your customers, your potential customers' minds. So they're just going throughout their day and they see, oh wow, 3 tips on how to do X, Y, or Z, or bring your expertise to your post when you're prioritizing your social media. So I hope those things help you today. That definitely is something I've seen the benefit of over the years, posting regularly, creating content. If you need help creating content or brainstorming content around your business, I love to do that. It's one of my favorite things to do. So you know how to get in touch with me. Leave me a comment, send me a message, and we'll talk to you soon. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It would mean the world to me if you'd remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. That way, every time I share one of these videos, it's just something that I've learned. Hopefully it can bless you and help you on your journey too. Can't wait to talk to you soon.
We would stay up late for hours.